Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. Today's sponsored video is my honest review of the VEGO Garden Indoor Self-Watering Planter. I have seen this in various places on social media. So when the good folks at VEGO Garden offered me the opportunity to do an honest review in exchange for the product, I was more than happy to do so. And so I'd like to share it with you. I honestly feel like this would be a great gift idea. I've had it for about a month now, and I do really like it. So now I'd like to go over the details of the planter with you and show you what I like so much about it. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this planter, it's advertised as a hassle-free method for growing houseplants or vegetables indoor during the fall and winter months. So let's check it out. It does come with an instruction booklet, but it is pretty straightforward putting this together, and I think you could probably do it easily without any instructions. It comes in two sizes, a mini, and this is the large size. And as you can see, it is a good size. This is the gray. It comes in cream, a green, and the gray. It is a bluish gray. And here are the components. That's the water meter. And this is the parts to the trellis. I think that's really cool that it comes with a dedicated trellis. I mean, whether it's a tall house plant or a vegetable, the trellis actually fits down into the pot in the little holes, and you don't have to worry about something to stake up your plant. The rods for the trellis appear to be like a powder-coated metal, and putting the trellis together was just as simple as fitting the rods into the connectors and joining them. So here's a look at everything out of the box. You have the trellis, then you have the outer pot for the planter, and as you can see, it's a nice large reservoir. The outer pot acts as the reservoir. And this is the inner pot, which you can see is a very nice size. This is the water level gauge, so you can see how much water is in the reservoir. But look at the size of that inner pot. So plenty of room for a nice large plant. And this is where you would add the water to your reservoir. Now to assemble the planter, all I have to do is take the inner pot, set it into the outer planter, and there we have it. And there are even wheels on the bottom of the pot to make moving it easier, because it could get heavy because, like I said, it is a large planter. To add the trellis, you simply put the rods into the holes that are made into the planter, so you never have to worry about your trellis falling over or anything like that. It's in there pretty solid. It's a solid planter. I think this planter would definitely make a great gift. And there's even a 5% discount if you use the code Peggy's Plants in all caps. I decided to plant my storm damaged Thai constellation in this planter using leca, and it's working out very well for me. This pot also has a water level regulator, so you can control just how much water gets to your growing medium, and that has definitely worked well with me using the leca. This planter is constructed in a way that allows for air to circulate around the roots, and it couldn't be any easier to add water to the planter and to know how much water needs to be added. As you can see here, a small watering can spout fits right in there, and you have your water level gauge right next to the opening. As you can see, the makers of this planter have thought of pretty much everything, and I'm definitely enjoying using it. It's, like I said, working out well for me. I haven't had any problems so far, and I'll keep you posted on how things go. So if you're interested in checking out this planter, there is a link in the description box. Also, the discount code that will get you 5% off, and that's Peggy's Plants in all caps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.